Hello, my name is Brennan and I am the McGraw-Hill Associate for Moreno Valley College. The Spanish faculty and my team collaborated to come up with your course materials for College Spanish or Spanish 1 and 2 for the current semester. Today I'll be briefing you on Connect-LearnSmart, where you'll be going to access a portion of your workbook and lab manual assignments for the term. We'll talk about registration as well as some best practices for running the program. We'll get into the resources that are available to you, in particular LearnSmart, your purchasing options, and technical support. For the smoothest experience running Connect, I recommend one of these three web browsers. If you have a Mac at home, Safari works fine. Beyond that, Firefox or Chrome come recommended. Please note that we ask that you refrain from using Internet Explorer when accessing Connect. Much like an application for your smartphone, Internet Explorer updates a bit too rapidly for McGraw-Hill, and it can create for a bit of an user-friendly experience. We also ask that you intermittently clear your cookies and your web browsing history on your internet browser. Like any other web-based application, Connect can get bogged down, weighed down if there is just too much space being taken up through your web history. I'll show you how to register here in just a moment. It is a good best practice when you register for the very first time. If you scroll to the bottom of the Connect home screen, there is a link there that says troubleshooting. Nothing's gone wrong, but if you click this link, it is going to run a diagnostic for whatever device you're using to access Connect at that time. This diagnostic will identify any programs that either need to be installed or updated on your particular computer in order to run Connect most efficiently. So these are three quick and easy steps you can take prior to accessing any of the workbook and lab manual assignments to ensure a smooth experience. Your required materials for this course are to Mundo. Please note your instructors have set aside a custom Moreno Valley College edition of the text, Volume 1 and Volume 2, that's available in the Moreno Valley College bookstore. This version includes both the print text as well as the Connect access code where you'll go to access your workbook and lab manual assignments, and that's indicated by the image here on the right. Please note the image on the left and the image on the right are in fact the very same book. The image on the right, as I mentioned, contains the Connect access code, and the image on the left is what we call the national version of this book and is not guaranteed to have the access codes you need for this course. Registration is pretty straightforward. Your instructor is going to provide you with a section web address or a course URL. Just take that course URL and copy it or enter it into your internet browser and click enter. You'll then be brought to a registration screen where you will be asked to register now and then asked to enter an email address. Please use your Moreno Valley College student email when registering in Connect and go ahead and click submit. You'll then be brought to this screen. This is where your options play out. If you acquired your materials from the Moreno Valley College bookstore, you already have your Connect access code as well as the print text. You take that access code and enter it here on the left and redeem by clicking submit. Maybe you're on financial aid, maybe your work schedule is up in the air. For whatever reason, you're not sure you're going to stay with the course. In the meantime, McGraw-Hill will provide you with 2 weeks of courtesy access to the program. You'll have access to an e-text, you'll have access to all of your workbook and lab manual assignments in the interim, and at the end of those 2 weeks, you will need to make a decision, either purchase a code or work out some other scenario with your instructor. Which leads to the third option, which is to buy online direct from McGraw-Hill. It's $130, and just click buy online, enter your credit card. This is an all digital access code, so there's no print component that will automatically accompany buying online. You're choosing to bring your tablet or your computer to class to view your book that way. Everyone will create an account in Connect, first name, last name, security question, security answer, pretty straightforward.